Whatever it is, testing system. Yeah. And in 2004, industry recognized that. You know, in the IT company, there were 10 developers and 1 tester. But after 2004, now there are 10 developers, 10 testers. But before 2004, it was 10 developers, the ratio was 1:10. But today it is 1:1. The system is not in production until conversion is complete.
True.
Okay, true? A data flow diagram offers the logical and graphical model of information flow. Partitioning a system into modules that shows manageable level of details. If you have gone through the book, I'm sure you have got the answer. True. Objects are grouped
So is it true or false?
True. Objects are grouped into hierarchies and hierarchies into classes.
The other way around.
True. The oldest method for building information system is prototyping.
True.
Prototype. False. What is prototyping? Now you will ask. You start prototyping. Okay, 1 second. This is just no noise. I told you system development approach, right? The system analysis and design. So there is a alternative approach plan, and it is called prototyping. Prototyping is used when you don't know what is the requirement. So what you do, you take a small part of the project, develop it, okay, and then you find it this is not correct, you again redo it, and again you find it is not correct, you redo it, and then you come with the final project or final system development. So what's the oldest method? Oldest is the conventional method, not the prototype. If you go to the book, you will find it.
So what is the oldest method?
I just said the conventional model, the traditional model.
Conversion model.
And that is given in the next question.
Conventional.
Prototyping is more flexible than the conventional life cycle.
True.
Prototyping is very flexible. Any one of you can go to the organization tomorrow and start developing a project through the prototype. And then you will derive the requirement automatically, and then you will feel that what you are doing is right. So you can expand that and use that as a lifetime project. And user development system can be completed more rapidly than those developed through the conventional system lifetime. I told you what is the intervention of the end user. End user make a process faster because he is very demanding. He wants his things on time because he has paid for it. So this is true. In some forms of outsourcing, a company hires an external vendor to create software for its system, but operate the software on its own computer.
True.
When this will happen? Then I do not want our intellectual property to go out of the
True.
company.
Yeah. Yes. Magic. This is actually true. طلع ترو او فولس اخر ثلاثه ترو
على فكرة هو مش
First question C. Second question in automation.
بي سي لا kind of structure
B or D or C?
maybe C
D. What about B? Business processes are reorganized to cut waste and eliminate repetitive paper-intensive tasks. Re-engineering. It was in the slide.
So what's the answer?
D for donkey is the answer. The process of streamlining business processes so that document can be moved easily and efficiently is called. Okay?
It's called what? Rationalization. Number 3 is what?
Number 3 is rationalization. Which process develops a detailed description of the function that a new information system must perform?
والله ما أعرف. عنده واحد شو؟ واحد
It's
دي
not D for sure.
واحد سي
Let's do the elimination approach.
اثنين دي
أنا
Excuse me, talk with me.
بس 1 second
Yeah.
what is it? The first answer, the first question, the 4 kinds of structure.
Okay. The first question is the 4 kind of structural organization change enabled by IT in order from least to most risky are. I showed you the graph.
See.
Least to reward. So the less risky is automation. The second one, which is of the higher risk, is rationalization. Third one is business process re-engineering, and the fourth one is paradigm shift. Now take the answer.
C.
Number 2.
Thank you.
Number 2 is D.
As
Don't
he said.
D.
What?
Number 2 is D.
Thanks for the answer. Okay, so fourth question, very important question. It might come in the exam as well. Which process develops a detailed description of the function that a new information system must perform? Why not D? D is not there, right? Now A, B, and C. System design, requirement analysis, and feasibility study. How many of you have gone through the book to find the answer? Very honest. Go through. Go, we still have 4 minutes. Finish off. Just go through the book. You'll get the answer. Please.
Which page, please?
لا
Why not?
طب شو 3 راني
إذا ما بتسأله ما مش فهمان شيء.
3 دي
غبي.
ما هي 3 دي 3